What's up, guys? I just wanted to give you a little bit of a closer look at my photo booth builds. So here's the front of the booth. This one's a barnwood booth here, and then you'll just see in the back, it's just a computer there with a little fan and a power bar and a DSLR camera hooked up, and then there's just a touchscreen monitor in the back. And then there's the light pole there, we connect the lights. Second booth, made of HDPE, so puckboard, and then we'll see in the back there, it's just a computer and camera, a power bar there, and a touch screen. And then the last one, same thing, wooden booth, touchscreen in the front. It's got a little small form factor computer in the back with the monitor, and then a camera. And I guess you should notice right on the top there that there's a little hot shoe adapter for the flash to connect to the camera, or the monolight strobe it's called. So in the boxes here, I've got the lighting kit for each one of these booths. So they're all just booting up right now. As you see, they go into the window screen, and then they boot right into the DSLR booth program. So this one's booting in. This one's just starting on Windows. This one's got the fastest computer in it, so it was booted in seconds. It's got a solid state drive computer in it. But you'll see that this one's just loading up now. So the program does take a few minutes to load. Oh, there we go. That one's from the last event on there still.